I welcome all of you. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic the role of various factors in the rise of neoclassical poetry. The period from 1660 to 1798 in the English literature is known as the neoclassical age. Now I am going to explain the meaning of the term neoclassical. The period from 1660 to 1798 in English literature is known as the neoclassical age. Here, the word neo means new. The authors of the period rejected most of the trends of the Elizabethan age but followed the way of the ancient Greek and Roman authors. So they called themselves neoclassical. However, because of satire and artificial method, the writers of the 18th century could not become as great as ancient authors. On the contrary, their writing lacked the high seriousness of classical literature. That's why the writers are called pseudo-classicals. This age is also called Augustan age. The whole period can be divided into three phases. The first phase is known as Restoration period. The duration of this period is 1660 to 1700. Then the second phase known as the Age of Pope. The period of the Pope is 1700 to 1744. And the third phase is known as the Age of Johnson. The period of Johnson known as 1744 to 1798. During the neoclassical age, particularly the Restoration period, poetry developed in a remarkable manner. There were changes in form and subject matter of the poetry. There was the rise of new poetry. Poetry saw good days in the hands of great poets like Dryden, Alexander Pope, and John Gay. Now I am going to explain what is the role of the various factors in the rise of neoclassical poetry. First, I am going to explain the excess of the metaphysicals, the role of the metaphysicals. Firstly, there was a reaction against the absurdities and excesses of the metaphysicals. The followers of John Donne had violated that canons of decorum and good sense. During the neoclassical age, there was a demand for balance and order in poetry. The second role of the influence of the French writers. The French spirits influenced the poets of the neoclassical age. The contemporary literary of France was characterized by lucidity and reason. The English authors sought guidance of the French writers. The English authors borrowed principles of regularity and order and also the spirit of good sense from their French models. This resulted into the artificial type of poetry of the neoclassical age. The third point of the that is inspiration from the classical writers. The poets of neoclassical period also took inspiration from the classical writers, particularly the Latin authors. This fact is quite noticeable in the works of Dryden and Pope. Dryden himself was a classical scholar and his translations of classics are unique in their own way. Many other poets produced such translations. The next one role which is played very important, that is scientific spirit of the age. The scientists scientific spirit of the age also contributed a great deal to the rationality and realism in poetry. The Royal Society for Science affected the poetry of the age. Poetry, as a result, became intellectual and argumentative. In conclusion, I would like to say that in this way, the various factors mentioned by me played a very important role in the newness in the poetry of the neoclassical age. In this way, uh, the various factors caused the newness in the poetry of the neoclassical age. Thank you.